Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to sign in account Microsoft Bing on computer. So how to sign in account Microsoft Bing on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To enter a Microsoft Bing account, move the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a sign in icon. And tap. And will. Two menu options appear. Here I will choose a personal account. Now it will appear to input the account. Here you will be asked to enter an account. Type the account you want to enter here. After finishing, tap Next. Now here we will be asked to enter the password from the account. After finishing, tap Sign in. And here tap Yes. Now here you have successfully entered a Microsoft Bing account. Next, here you can use Microsoft Bing using your account. So that's it, the tutorial how to sign in account Microsoft Bing on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.